Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cabbage chutney. Chop 2 cups cabbage finely and set aside while you warm 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. Add 1 tsp mustard seeds, 1 tsp cumin, and sauté 1 chopped onion and 2 cloves garlic until soft. Then add cabbage, 1 tablespoon tamarind paste, salt, and 1 tsp sugar. Cook gently until flavors meld and chutney thickens. Taste as you cook and balance sour, sweet, and heat thoughtfully. Start with 1 tsp tamarind paste and 1 tsp sugar, then add more gradually until harmonious. If it seems flat, a pinch of salt will lift flavors. For heat, add 1 chopped green chili or 1-2 tsp chili powder, and for creaminess, stir in 2 tablespoon grated coconut or crushed peanuts near the end. Cabbage chutney tastes great warm or chilled and makes a simple side for rice, dosa, or sandwiches. Spoon it into a small bowl, garnish with chopped cilantro and a squeeze of lime. It stores well in the fridge for up to 5 days in an airtight container, and flavors often improve after a few hours. Reheat gently on the stove or eat cold as a zesty accompaniment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.